excited and passionate.
I know. I mean, we have a lot of our family also. We have a lot of Filipino members, and but hey, I once had about a year ago. I had somebody from Indonesia, and then I did a battle with some actor. But that was just like right now. My chat's fine. It's fine. It's
Yes,
perfectly
yes.
fine.
But that was
But
blowing up.
it was 7,000 to 11,000 people, and that actor like it was just too much. We couldn't do. I just couldn't go live for like 2 days.
Oh my god. Okay.
Yeah, but it's nothing like that. So they're very cool. They just they want me to know that you're an actress, that you're a real queen. They just want to emphasize that you are amazing.
I did a television show and I played a queen. She's a
Oh,
fairy with powers. A fairy princess warrior. And they love that show very much. That's what they're trying to say. So,
okay. Compatible, yeah. They're basically saying you're perfect. So
thanks, guys.
yeah. So are you friends? Have you met like have you done a lot of matches with I guess Korean streamers or mostly I don't know just Filipinos?
I've battled Ethan. You know Ethan?
Ethan, I think the guy who speaks Spanish.
Huh? You speak Spanish? I've only done it for 3 days, but yeah, we've been battling.
Oh, okay.
People like us to battle together. So yeah.
Yeah. You're gonna be in A1 in no time.
Are you A1 already? You're A1, right?
Yeah, but we're going down. We're going down, but you're gonna go up to A1 soon.
How long do you usually stream?
Lately, not as much, but starting today, I'm gonna do a bit more. Yeah, like at least 6 to 7 hours. I used to, but
Oh my god! I
Used
tried 4 hours yesterday.
it's very tiring.
It's tiring.
Your eyes, like
My
here,
social-
right here, the back of your
Social
neck.
battery was like, dude. Like every time after a battle, I'm just like,
Yeah.
respect to those who actually do this for a living. Oh my god. You gotta get your game up, your like banter game. You know, we can't. Oh yeah,
But
quiet.
you get used to it. Why are they calling? Wait, why do you guys want me to call her what? Why?
Amihan.
I don't want to say. Yeah, okay. I don't want to say a word. I don't want to say it, but just to make sure.
Amihan.
Amihan. Okay, it's okay. Okay. I want to make
Please take
sure.
off the glasses though. Okay, there. Thank you guys. Hopefully we can battle in when you have smoke.
Yeah. Okay, guys, we can snipe, right? Do we have any gloves?
Can you snipe this?
Luna, 안녕하세요, 루나님.
I'm watching.
I don't think.
I'm watching with the score
Guys,
goes up.
do we have a glove?
Guys, hindi naman kailangan ng glove. Gamitin niyo yung glove pag kailangan natin, pag talo tayo. Save the glove. But thank you.
No, we don't have. No smoke.
Thank you, Kilaan. Thank you, Bianca Cakes. Thank you, Jean
No
Mami.
worries, guys.
Xavier, thank you so much. It was very nice to meet
Thank you, Kylie. Thank you.
Yeah.
It's very nice to meet you. I'll see you around whenever I see you.
Yeah. Bye. Yeah.
Okay. Bye.
Cool. Matagal ko na siya fina-follow. Yeah, he seems cool. And ano din. Half din. He's cool. Nagsho-show up siya sa FYP ko before. Tapos, that time, lagi siya nasa parang cafe nila. And then, yun. I found out he's an actor also. Something we have in common. Okay. Guys, sobrang passionate nyo, pero wag tayo mag-spam! Ah! Baka na ano yun na yung iba. But I appreciate you guys very much. Ang gulo ba ng buhok ko? Ayusin nga natin. Don't stop me now. Having a ball, don't stop me now. Guys, lahat na lang ng inaano ko. Binabattle ko. Battling lang, guys. Making friends. Walang ano. Okay. Sino pa ba ang puwede? Having a ball, don't stop me now. Never wanna stop at all. Having a good time, we're having a good time. Don't stop me now. Okay. What's your lippy, Miss Kylie? Well, hindi na lang ako magsasabi ng brand, guys. But, ang una kong yes, lip combo. Magde-lip liner muna ako and then I put lip gloss over it para hindi siya mukhang super dry. And then there's this filter. Thank you for the 1 million likes. Salamat, guys! Wala kasi akong eye contacts. Wala akong contacts right now. So, hindi ko makita. Kaya naka-glasses ako. Never gonna stop at all. Having a good time, having a good time. Don't stop. Bella Thorne ng Pilipinas. Alam mo, yung best friend ko si Mariel, yan din ang sinabi niya. Kami na ba ni Luis? No po. But I could say that he's one of my good friends now.